Hi, Carlin Walker here from Seward Middle School with a quick Canvas tutorial on how to create an event in Canvas Calendar one time, but then Canvas will split it up to appear at different times and or dates for different sections of the course, even if they are cross-listed. This can be very convenient if you're creating, like, for example, during remote learning, live Zoom events, so on and so forth. So right away, we're just going to go ahead and create an event in our Canvas calendar by hitting the plus sign. We're going to give the event a title. I can make changes here. Maybe the first date that I might offer this event would be good. Then I'm going to double check that I'm using the right calendar. I want to make sure that I've selected the calendar that I actually want to be producing the event for, that it's not my personal calendar or the wrong class. So double check the calendar choice before you move on. Then you're going to click More Options. Once you get to More Options, you get the rich text editor where you can add videos, links, images, whatever rich content you need to help your viewers, your learners with their experience. Then down here at the bottom, I'm going to click Use a different date for each section. You'll see that Canvas has already populated this with the different sections of my life science course. And then I can easily select when I need that event to occur for that section. So for example, I have this class on Monday at 9 a.m. So they're going to need that available to them at that time. My other course, on the other hand, my other section has it on a different time and a different date. You can see how easy this is. This is auto-filled, but I can just type in whatever I need and it'll get it for me. Okay, so it's quite simple. It's very user-friendly. You can add location and addresses here, maybe if you want to add a link or a location. Now, if I know that this event is going to be occurring every week or every month, I can very easily replicate the event or repeat the event by clicking on the duplicate. Then I can choose how often I want to duplicate it and for how long. Then I click Create Event. It'll warn me that I haven't done it for all my sections. Thank you, Canvas, for keeping an eye on me. Then I will see it pop up on my Canvas calendar. I can double check that it's there. Yep, it is. And now I have the live link, and I would have normally put a lot more information here to help my students. I hope this helps you more easily and quickly create repeating events at different times for different sections in Canvas calendars. May the force be with you.